Hi, welcome to real SQL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about record composite type, row type, record type, assign type to another type in PL SQL block. Let's talk about record composite type. First we will discuss about row type. Here we can see the declaration. Here we just declare a variable REMP and its type is row type and the table name is employees. So our row type is employees, and inside the begin and end we write a DML operation like select statement here. So and the value of select statement result uh, will uh, be populated into REMP variable. So if I execute this one, here we can see the exact phase returns more than requested number of rows. So how do we resolve this issue? Row type always store single object or single record. Now we will filter the employee by using the where clause with ID 100. So let's do it. If I execute this snippet, here we can see the anonymous block executed. If we want to see the value of row type REMP, so let's write a statement. So if we execute this statement, and here we can see the result of employee name King and salary is here. Now we will see another example of record type. Let's see. As you can see in the declaration section, we declare the variable type TEMP and it is record type. And inside the record, we declare some uh, column here like employee ID, last name and salary. TEMP, which is a type, and it is initialized by variable REMP. Inside the begin and end block, here we can see the select statement for employee table employees. And here we select the column employee ID, last name and salary. And we use the where clause employee ID equal 100. And the result of this select statement will uh, populate it into REMP variable, which is the initialization or instance or object of TEMP. Now we will see the line number 25 here. We can see the employee name here REMP, which is here. This is the object of TEMP. Then last name and then salary REMP dot salary. So if I execute this one, here we can see anonymous block completed. Enter DBMS put line output here. Employee name is here King and salary 48899.78. Now we will assign type to another type. Let's see. Here we can see the another declaration T underscore department, which is department ID and department name record. And this record T department is assigned in TEMP here, line number 17 here, department, and this is the T department. So here it is. And inside the begin and end block, here we can see the inner join with departments, where department ID and department ID, and we use the into clause, and here we select department ID and department name, and inside the into clause we use the initialization of REMP. Here we can see REMP employee ID, REMP last name and salary, and now number 33. Here we use REMP dot employee department dot department ID, which is this one, and this is the type, and its value is here, and then it is. So in this way we use the type inside another type. So, and we can see the output of employee ID here, and this is employee name, salary, and additional one is department name. So if we execute this one, here we can see the department executive. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.